In this video, I'll show you how to create fillable forms in Google Drive. The first thing you're going to do is go to Google Drive and you're going to click on the new button that you're going to find on the left corner. Once you click on it, you're going to scroll down and you're going to select Google Forms. This is going to open a new Google form. The first thing that you can do is add a title to your form. So let's say I want to make a form about food preferences. So I'm going to go ahead and add my title. You can customize this title. You can make it bold, italic. You can add whatever you want to it. And you can even add a description in case you think that's necessary for the people that are going to be filling out the form. Once you add your title and you add your description, you can even customize your form by clicking on this icon at the top, and you can add a different color in case you want that. You can even select a different background. You can also add a header by clicking here, and you can select an image. Since I'm making one about food, let me find a picture about food, and then I'm going to click insert. Once your form is looking a little bit like you want it to, all you have to do now is add all your questions. Google Forms is going to give you the first question. So to edit it, all you have to do is click on it and then add your question. Right next to your question, you're going to find all the different types of answers that you can pick from. So you can select if you want a short answer, if you want a paragraph, a multiple choice, check boxes, drop down menu. If you want them to upload a file, you can also select that. So you can just start playing around with that. You can also add questions that are required and that are not mandatory to answer. So if you have a question that needs to be answered, you can enable the require button by clicking right here. To add a new question, simply click on the plus icon, and that way Google is going to create a different question for you. And then you can follow the exact same process. Start adding your questions and your answers. Once your form is ready, all you have to do is click on publish at the top. Here's where you can manage who can answer this form. The best way to do it, in my opinion, is that anyone that has access to the link of your form is going to be able to answer the question. So you can go ahead and manage those settings by clicking right here. And once you're ready, go ahead and click on publish. And that's it. You can go ahead and copy the link of your form and you can start sending it to people. Hope that helps.